Yeah, dry ice is the #1 myth that people think is used to fix dents.
Whoa, uncharted territory here. Look at all these marks. Oh, Derek, hey.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm repairing the hood on this truck.
I see that. So what's wrong with this thing? Oh,
It got hailed on.
oh geez, look at all that.
Luckily, this is not one of the worst
Yeah?
ones that happened in 2016, but still pretty bad.
Is one of them?
Yeah.
So is it from this truck over here?
Yes, sir.
It is? Can you show me some of it?
Yeah. You notice I have it all marked up. That's for insurance purposes.
Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. It looks like it has like chicken pox or something, but...
Well, this is so that whenever the adjuster comes by, they can't argue with you about how many dents are on it because you've circled all the dents.
Right.
In fact, the adjuster on this one said that I circled stuff that weren't even dents, and I had to point out to him, look right there, there's a dent. So yeah.
what is it? Where am I right now? What is this? This is an EAG shop. What is this?
No, this is a body shop that we rent space out of. But also, if we can't fix everything on the car and some conventional work needs to be done, we have the capability of doing body work.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, the paint booth and everything.
So you're the guy that fixes all the dents that come through our shop?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice.
For over, what, 6 or so years now?
Oh, wow. You've been doing work.
Yep.
So right now you're just working on the hood? So that's the first thing you guys done? Or?
I'm working on the hood right now. My buddy Dwayne right there is working on the roof.
Nice.
And so we're trying to get it knocked out. This one is for a friend of a friend.
Oh, nice.
But still an insurance job.
Absolutely.
It's a 97. We still managed to get $4 grand for it.
Nice. Yeah.
Without them totaling it up.
So wait a minute. Why are you... Don't you pull dents from the top? I don't know. I have no idea. What's going on here?
You just basically are pushing them up from underneath, working them out.
With your device of doom?
Several devices of doom.
Several devices of doom? Oh, wow.
That one's shaped like this.
Oh, nice.
They call that a whale tail.
Whale tail?
Because it looks like a whale tail.
Oh, okay. Not like a dolphin or a shark tail, it's just...
Well, maybe like a dolphin tail. Shark tail's a little different.
There's so many dents of doom.
If you want, I'm fixing this one right here. It's gone.
Oh, it's gone. Right before my eyes. It's gone. It just happened so fast.
Well, that's why art uses me.
They just disappear.
Magic.
I see that. See, I always thought like little elves did dent repair. You know what I mean?
I'm just a tall elf.
Whoa.
Give me this one right here.
Oh. Nice. They just evaporate. This is amazing.
And now you know what I do.
So it's fair to say that if you have a dent in your car, it's usually fixable.
It depends on the severity, but yeah.
Yeah. Like with anything, of course.
Right, but I've fixed some pretty bad stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. NASCAR. In fact, on that one Lamborghini that had that little accident to it.
You guys do Lamborghinis too?
I fixed that one that was at that Huracan that they had at the shop.
Oh yeah.
But like I was saying earlier, though, this one was not as hard hit.
Right.
I mean, it's got a bunch, but they're the perfect type of dents. But then again, it's an older truck, so it took the hits a little better than some of the newer vehicles do.
Oh really?
Yeah, because
build quality was better back then?
it's just the gauge of the steel.
Nice.
It's a little thicker gauge.
Oh, so this is steel. This isn't like...
This is steel.
Okay.
That hood over there that's beat up.
Yes.
That's a Subaru hood. Oh. That's an aluminum hood off of an STI.
Oh wow.
It's destroyed.
Alright, I'm gonna go look at this. Holy crap! So this is not fixable.
It's fixable to a point. The problem with it is that it's more cost effective to just replace it than it is to fix it with PDR. And that is, it's paintless dent repair is what that stands for.
Painless dent repair.
That's part
it's not
of
PDR-OD. Painless dent repair of doom.
You bet. I was gonna say there's got to be a doom in there somewhere.
Yes.
Yep.
Jeez, the many faces of pulling dents.
It's a lot of closing an eyelid. People call you names like Popeye,
Popeye and
Shifty.
squinty face and. Oh yeah.
It's almost like playing guitar. Next thing you know, your tongue starts sticking out.
Right, of course, like for no reason.
You want to talk about a tool of doom right there?
Yeah, tool of doom. This thing.
Carbon fiber rod right there.
Whoa. What does this do? I mean, obviously, but are you about to use this right now?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm looking for the one more little extension to make it just a little longer.
Extensions are right here.
Oh, wow.
How much longer
So
do you
many
need it to be?
extends.
Just not much. Short one.
You shall not pass.
Yes, sir.
So you're about to use this tool of doom. Let's see this.
He's on the roof
Oh, you're on the roof.
He's using a different style of light.
Yes.
He's working with the fog or shadow, as we call it sometimes.
This thing?
Yeah.
This thing right there?
The way the light works?
Yes.
I use both the fog and line. I just like switching it up. Sometimes it helps, especially when you're trying to finish a dent.
Right.
The lines help you finish it off.
Dirty dents.
Done dirt cheap.
All right. So you.
Can I get you a less aggressive one?
The one right on my green rod right against the wall.
The actual knockdown tip?
So many tips.
That's what she said.
The tip of this rod has interchangeable. You can change different style of tips to work the metal differently.
Okay. You just, do you work it or you push it up or how does that work?
Yeah, just coming from underneath and massaging that metal back to its
Former glory.
former glory.
Awesome.
You know, it's funny because a lot of customers will come in and they say, well, I thought you used dry ice for this metal.
Dry ice?
Yeah, dry ice is the #1 myth that people think is used to fix dents.
Why?
They think that because of the extreme temperature changes that it makes them pop out. It's not how it works.
Oh.
Believe me, I know. I've tried it just to test it out, all the different ways they talk about it.
Mm-hmm.
Heat
Is
up.
it ineffective or?
Yeah, it just doesn't do anything.
Oh, jeez.
And it's a waste of money. You gotta buy dry ice all the time.
Right, of course.
And then you gotta waste it to use it. Meanwhile, I can buy a tool like this. And this tool right here will last me for years. Now, I have broken tools like this.
Right.
But $50 and then I get another one and it lasts years more.
Nice. Very cost effective, I see.
Yeah, exactly. This one tool right here will probably make me, you know, on just this job alone, probably make me $1,500.
Nice.
And then when it comes to doing sides, door ding, stuff like that, there's all kinds of different tools.
Yeah, of course.
Like this one's a good one for doing sides.
There's so many tools for dents
Yep.
that could cause dents
Right.
and also take them out.
And then there's another rod of doom.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So many rods.
Yeah.
So little time.
Again, that's what she said. While regretting her choice to join the industry. But yeah, this one's we'll probably be done with this one tomorrow.
With the truck?
Yep.
Well, there's so many holes, so many dents, so many.
But see, that's
things.
why I was saying it's, you know, luckily this one didn't get hit as hard. Like I've already shrunk this one down. I was working on it a little bit before you showed up, but it was a little bigger. That size, or what you see on that Subaru hood that you looked at, that one,
Yes.
that's kind of, those size dents are very typical of what happened in 2016, and we've been working on a lot of stuff like that. In fact, that Dodge Ram right there, I had to save the entire left side
Oh, geez.
because it had dents the size of $50 on it.
Dang.
I carry a $50 in my wallet just
Just to see?
on purpose to deal with these adjusters. So when they say that's not a $50 dent, yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
I will show you.
You know, and Derek makes it look really easy, but actually it's highly skilled because without the pinpoint accuracy, it's impossible to fix a dent correctly.
Right.
So you actually have little needle pushes, like needle point, and it's got to be exactly where it needs to be.
This is a very skilled job for sure.
Yeah, a lot of guys sit there and think that they can do it, and then they get involved in it, and they're just
No.
they hack it up. And then I've also dealt with a guy that said he tried to do it, has the tools. I haven't got some tools off him because he's like, I went to school and everything for it, but I can't do it. It's not for everybody.
It's very tedious and time consuming for sure, right?
Number one thing that I hear from people is they're like, man, you must have the patience, you know, like an extreme amount of patience. And I'm like, you know, honestly, I'm not that patient of a person, but for some reason I can do this job.
Probably because it pays well.
Patience can't learn how to do it.
Basically, yeah, Dwayne's right. You gain some patience by learning how to do it. I don't know. It's just like, you know, working on, you know, being a tech working on cars. You sit there and you just put your head down and start working.
Just kind of knock it out.
Well, I mean, that's what I did before.
Get it? Knocking out dents?
Exactly. And then see, okay, I'll do one real quick right here. Not a dent. This is called a knockdown tool. There's varying tips that you can interchange on these two. See, like that. You can put a pointier one or a less pointy one depending on what you're trying to do. I like using this piece of wood because it gives it a nice, good hit. But you just sit there and the hides go away.
Nice.
Doesn't work for every hide though.
No.
Yeah, I have a hammer that I use also, but that piece of wood works really good for doing these smaller ones on the hail.
Cool.
It's a good little smack instead of a heavy hit with a hammer. All right. There you go.
All done?
Yes, sir.
Oh wow. Oh wow, it's not as bumpy anymore. It looks so good. And the other side too? Wow. Looks good, dude.
Thanks, sir.
Nailed it.
Appreciate it.